morning, guys. I'm Johnny, owner of Blades Grass Lawn Care. And this morning, what I'm doing is mixing up some chemicals to go spray a parking lot. Pretty small parking lot, but it is what I try to do is I try to spray all the parking lots in the same time of the year. And every 6 months, I'll go back and, kind of check them out or whatever the case might be. But today I have a super surprise for all my guys when they show up. Right now is 6:30 a.m. so they should be showing up here pretty soon. But I wanted to talk to you guys real quick. What I'm doing for my guys is I'm giving them 5 days off. I'm giving them 5 days off with pay. Yes, 5 days off with pay. Well, the reality is they're gonna get 2 days. No, Thursday, Friday, and then Monday. They're gonna get 3 days of pay, plus the weekend. But they're getting 5 days off. And why am I doing this? Is because the reality is my guys busting their butts this week, and we got everything accomplished that we were supposed to. And I kind of sneak that in, just saying, hey, listen, on Thursday and Friday we're gonna come in and do oil changes. We're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. So they're under the impression that they're coming in to do oil changes and stuff like that. But the reality is, once they show up, they're gonna be notified that, hey, listen, you're gonna get the rest of the time off. Yeah. But guys, I value my guys. And again, listen, before you start putting stuff in the comment about me wasting money and money's going through my fingers and all that crazy stuff, it is my business. It is my business, and that's why you are a business owner, because you want to do whatever the heck you want to do when you want to do it, and you don't have to have anyone else accountability of what you're doing, right? I'm a business owner, and believe me, not without, I don't have to really tell you the numbers, but if I'm doing this, it's because I am extremely comfortable in where I'm at, correct? So think about that before any negativity come across the comment in the bottom. And just to bring up something that was said before when I told you guys that, I let my guys off early. You got to remember that when you work in this type of business, sometimes you work late and sometimes you work faster than some days. So it balances out as far as, sometimes we work a little bit later, sometimes we work, whatever the case might be. But so you guys know, I don't do the overtime thing. My business is run completely different, guys. I'm not a landscaping business. I am a schedule mowing, maintenance, property maintenance company. So all my properties are, I know exactly what needs to be done, and I know how to allocate time. I've been doing this for 10 years, so I kind of know how much time we need or whatever the case might be. We don't go overtime. We seldom go overtime on certain things. But it may happen now and then, but it's extremely rare that we do overtime. Also, I do value my guys. My guys have been with me 3-4 years. I don't have anybody that's been with me right now 1 year. So remember, guys, like I said before, and not to ramble, and we are all business owners, and we have a different way of thinking. We have, somebody was pulling out. We have different needs. We have different situations. So when you hear of me doing this, it's not pertaining to what you're doing. You're probably doing something completely different. You hustling, bustling, doing this, doing that. I am a retired military guy that have several businesses, and lawn care. I honestly enjoy doing lawn care. Now, if lawn care was to leave and go away tomorrow, my way of living will not change. You see, so that's the difference. Lawn care is something that keeps me occupied. And without going into detail, I have to stay busy. I have to stay busy with my hands, my mind. That's just the way things are at the moment. So that's why I'm out here doing what I do, and not sitting behind a desk sending my guys out. You know, I know I get a lot of comments, man, you should be sitting down and having these guys go out. Believe me, guys, without going into detail, there's a reason why I do this. Um, and also, you know, getting back to where I was going, because now I'm starting to bear off. Today, I'm giving my guys 5 days off because I really value what they do. Without them, there is no me. Without them, there is no blades of grass. I can do this by myself, but it's not going to be to the level of what we're doing. You know, I can easily just go in the truck and do a couple of lawns or whatever the case might be. But I value this and I enjoy this. I enjoy giving my guys a purpose, and teaching moments. You know, we have fun, as you can tell in the video yesterday, and I'll put it up there in the link. We have fun, man. You know, I love going out there and having fun. It's not about do. It's about having fun, man. You know, I don't know how much I can express this to you guys and have you understand, but the video is getting too long. Guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, and you have a great Thursday, man. You know, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pop smoke. Peace.